Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.